This is a review on the Play-Doh Marvel Superhero Adventures playset. My son is 3 years old and he loves Spider-Man. It comes with Thor, the Incredible Hulk, Wolverine, Iron Man, Captain America, and Spider-Man stamps, and it also includes a playmat and a Spider-Man mold.
Yeah. And a ball.
What color Spider-Man you want to make? Red? Alright, let's show them.
No. And down.
And that's Spider-Man. These are the stamps.
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy.
Is that fun to play with?
Yeah.
It costs around $12 from Toys R Us.
Hey.